In this class, we're going to talk about Ration Formulation. We're going to learn how to calculate the protein level of the diet. Okay, so we are given the question, if a ration contains the following ingredients. We have the maize, fish meal, wheat bran, groundnut cake, soybean meal, bone, vitamin, and salt, and we are given the nutrient level of each ingredient. We are asked to calculate the protein level. Okay, how do we do that? To calculate the protein level of the diet, we need to calculate the individual protein level. Do you understand? That is why I reconstruct the table. On this table, we have the ingredients. The ingredients have been given in the question. You can see we have maize, fish meal, wheat bran, groundnut cake, soybean meal, bone, vitamin, and salt. Okay, and we have the percentage inclusion. You understand? If you look at the first table, you will see the percentage inclusion of each ingredient. And then in the second table, we have the ingredient as well, and we have the protein level. Okay, so I've not done anything. You will discover that bone, vitamin, and salt doesn't have protein. Sorry, protein, not protein level now. Okay, bone, vitamin, and salt does not have protein. This is because you cannot find protein in this. You understand? Okay, so now let us determine the individual protein level. Do you understand? Listen. The summation of all the individual protein level will give the protein level of the diet. Do you understand? So if you want to calculate the protein level of the diet, we need to calculate the individual protein level of each ingredient. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. So I want to pay attention. Let's start with the protein level. Let me write this. This will be individual protein level. Okay, individual protein level. So now let's start with maize. How do we calculate the individual protein level of maize? To calculate the individual protein level, I'm going to give you the formula. Just multiply the percentage inclusion multiplied by the protein content of each ingredient divided by 100. You understand? By using that formula, you're going to get the individual protein level. Are you paying attention? Please. Individual protein level. Individual protein level of each ingredient is equal to the percentage inclusion multiplied by the percentage inclusion multiplied by the protein of each ingredient all over 100 will give us the individual protein level. Are you paying attention? Don't forget the goals. The goals of the question is to calculate the protein level of the diet. So I told you that without knowing the individual protein level, there is no way we can determine the protein level of the diet. So let's proceed. The individual protein level of maize, that is, I'm going to have maize will be equals to percentage inclusion of maize, which is 15. I'm going to have 15 multiplied by 9 all over 100. That will be 15 multiplied by 9 divided by 100. That is 1.35. So I'm going to have 1.35. Okay, let's proceed to the fish meal. I'm going to have 25 multiplied by 65.5. 25 multiplied by 65.5 all over 100. So here I'm going to have, okay, please, I'm coming. I want to check something. Oh, this is not 65.5. It should be 65, okay? Please, I want to make sure that we are solving the right question so that we will not have a wrong answer. You understand? So that's why I'm being cautious. Okay, it is 65.5, sorry. Sorry, okay? You see, I want to make sure that we solve the right question so that we will not have a wrong answer, okay? So now let us proceed. 25 multiplied by 65.5, that will give us 1637.5. 1637.5 divided by 100, that is 16.37. You understand? 16.37. So yeah, I'm going to have 16.37. Okay, so now let's proceed to wheat bran. For wheat bran, we are going to have 20 multiplied by 16.0, 20 multiplied by 16.0 all over 100. Okay? 20 multiplied by 16.0 That is 320. 320 divided by 320 divided by 100, that is 3.20. Okay, so we are going to have 3.20. Okay, now let's proceed. For the next ingredient is granite cake. So I'm going to have granite cake. That will be equals to, now, 25 multiplied by 45. 25 multiplied by 45 all over 100. 25 times 45 divided by 100, that is 11.25. 11.25. Okay, so let's proceed. For after granite cake, we have soya bean meal. So for soya bean meal, we are going to have we are going to have 10 multiplied by 45. So I'm going to have 10 multiplied by 45 all over 100. So here I'm going to have 4.5. Okay, so now you can see that for bone vitamin and salt, if you multiply 5 times 0 divided by 100, that is undefined. You understand? So all we are going to sum together now is these values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for this we are going to have 1.35, and here 16.37, then 3.20, 11.25, 4.50. Yes. Okay, then here is dash. Now let us sum this together. 1.35 plus 16.37 plus 3.2 plus 11.25 plus 4.5. That is 36.67. 36.67. So this will be 36.67. So the protein level of the diet, that is the protein level of the diet is the protein level of the diet. Okay, I don't want to use shorthand. Okay, of the diet is equals to 36.67. Okay, that is the solution to that question. Okay, so if you come across this question in the exam, I'm very sure you'll be able to solve it. All you have to do is that just prepare the table like this, then you use this formula and calculate the individual protein level, then you sum it together to get the protein level of the diet. Okay, so that is the solution to that question. If you have any question with respect to this, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so that will be all for this class. Don't forget to like and share the video, and if you want to be part of the channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next class.